In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your personal and team tasks with Todoist team workspaces. Managing tasks effectively is crucial whether you're handling personal projects or collaborating within a team. So let's dive into how you can take full advantage of Todoist. To get started, first log into your Todoist account using either a browser or the desktop app. This is your entry point into a world of organized task management. Let's begin with managing your personal tasks. Start by creating a workspace dedicated to your personal projects. You can name this workspace something like My Projects or simply Personal to reflect its purpose. Within this workspace, think about using projects to further categorize your tasks. Consider categories like family, finance, health, and learning, or anything else that suits your personal life. This step is really about dividing your life into manageable components, making it easier to focus on what needs attention. Once your projects are in place, go ahead and add tasks to each one, but don't stop there, prioritize them. You'll soon find that prioritizing tasks helps clear your mind and provides a roadmap for what needs to be tackled first. Use sections and labels to bring more order and flexibility to how you handle tasks. A section might be short-term versus long-term goals, while labels can include urgency or importance. To ensure consistency, set up recurring tasks for those day-to-day responsibilities, allowing Todoist to remind you when things need repeating. Now let's transition into strategies for team task management. Begin by creating a completely separate workspace dedicated to your team. This could represent a specific project or department, like marketing team for instance. Within this space, you'll build projects that embody team goals such as marketing campaigns, content calendars, or product development. Each project can then be divided into specific tasks, and here's where collaboration truly shines. Assign tasks to team members according to their roles or expertise. This way, everyone knows what they are responsible for and how their work fits into the bigger picture. To encourage teamwork and clarity, use comments and attachments liberally. They provide context and shared understanding, especially when working remotely or across different locations. Last but not least, make sure to set deadlines and priorities for each task. This not only sets a timeline for deliverables, but also helps your team to manage their time effectively, fostering an environment of responsibility and accountability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage both personal and team tasks using Todoist team workspaces, ensuring that projects run smoothly and everyone remains on the same page. Remember, the key is organization and communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful for making the most out of your task management experience.